Bet you didn't know budgeting could be as chaotic as a toddler in a candy store. Let's dive in. So you just got paid. Congrats. But wait, what's that? Your wallet's already empty? Epic fail. Let's rewind and see what went wrong. First stop, coffee shop. Because who can budget without a $6 latte, right? Next, online shopping spree, because that sale only happens every other week. Who could resist? Then there's lunch. Why pack a sandwich when you can splurge on sushi? Twice. Afternoon rolls around and suddenly you're a home decor expert. New throw pillows for the couch you never sit on? Absolutely. By evening, you're convinced you need a new gadget because, hey, upgrading your phone every 6 months is totally normal. And before you know it, you're staring at your bank statement like it's a horror movie. Budget? What budget? But don't worry, we've all been there. The key? Start small, track every dollar, and maybe, just maybe, skip that third latte. You'll thank me later. Remember, budgeting is like a diet for your wallet. Stick to it and you'll see results. Eventually.